At-home security cameras now go beyond personal safety. They have become a crime-fighting tool, giving police a new view of crimes happening all across the area. But there are now limitations on how law enforcement can access these videos. While some are calling it a win for privacy, others disagree.
The Ring Video Doorbell company says it wants to stop letting police request camera footage from you when trying to solve crimes. Now, Ring says it will terminate the request for assistance tool this week. The function allows law enforcement to request video through Ring's Neighbors app. Instead, authorities will now have to submit a legal request to the company.
Privacy advocates have long pushed Amazon-owned Ring to change its policies. And facing mounting pressure, Ring will now no longer let police contact homeowners through its app to obtain their video.
They can still go knock on doors, but they cannot use the app to find and locate and contact immediately and directly the users that have Ring cameras.
Get away. Get away from my car right now. Call the police. He was trying to steal our converter. Just now. Yeah. Someone's trying to steal our converter off our car. Isn't that crazy?